Hello friends, this is Dr. Shweta Arora, faculty in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the North Cap University. I am going to talk about linear regression today. Specifically, these three questions in concern to linear regression will be answered: what, why, and where. Let us first understand what is linear regression. It is one of the popular supervised machine learning algorithm. It is called supervised because you can see the data here is labeled. We have given area of house, number of bedrooms, and price of house in the given data set. Basically, it is a statistical method which allows us to estimate the relationship among various continuous variables present in the data. You can see these variables are all continuous in nature and we can find the relationship between them with the help of linear regression. Now next question comes, why do we need linear regressions? The purpose of linear regression is to identify the functional relationship between the target variable and the rest of the attributes. Here the target variable is price of house and the other attributes are area of house and number of bedrooms. So we can identify a trend in the market whether the price of house is increasing with respect to increase in area of house or with respect to number of bedrooms. So it becomes very easy to find the relation, a functional relationship between the given set of variables. And also in machine learning, we can use it to predict the future value of the target variable based on the relationship identified. Let's say this is y, this is x1 and this is x2. The first purpose of linear regression is to identify a functional relationship. Let's say I have got this functional relationship f for given values of x1 and x2, and I can predict the value of y, which is the price of my house, given the value of area of house and number of bedrooms. So here if I have given x1 as 1100 and x2 as 3, using this functional relationship, I can predict the value of price of my house. So this is how it solves the purpose. Now where can we apply linear regression? There are multiple applications like in prediction of rain forecasting when temperature and other factors are given, finding out the market trends, finding out the relation between alcohol consumed and the blood alcohol content, or finding out statistical relation between driving speed and gas mileage of a car, or predicting the student grade points using attendance rate. Some other applications may include predicting the sales of a company given the amount spent over advertisement, or predicting weight given the height of a person. So looking at these applications, we can say the linear regression can be used in those applications where the output variable or the target variable is continuous in nature. For example, sales, weight, age, salary, price of a house. So these are all continuous variable, and the independent variables can be continuous or categorical in nature. So that's all about what, why, and where of linear regression. In the next session, I'll talk about how to apply linear regression. Thank you.